Guys, welcome so much to our YouTube channel. We're finally here. This is something that I have been working on for the past several months, and we're now to the point where we're going to start producing videos to talk about this thing called the law of attraction. I have been studying the law of attraction for many, many years, and this is a journey that I took on several years ago to learn how to perfect in my own life. And so now what I want to do is I want to share my journey with you. I want to share the thoughts and the ideas and the tools and the resources that are going to help you to manifest your dreams. So I want you to think about a goal. I want you to think about something that you have in mind. I don't care what realm it's in. It can be in love and relationships. It can be in making more money. It can be in just in general, just having more happiness in your life. Think about something, and I want you to bring that goal and that dream on this journey with us. And over the next few videos, I'm actually going to be breaking down some of the specifics of the law of attraction, some of the things that you need to look out for, and some of the things that are going to make you manifest your dreams and desires faster. And I know that's a comment and something that I get a lot from people is, how do I make the law of attraction work for me in a more timely manner? Because this is where, unfortunately, doubt can creep in. And doubt is your enemy where the law of attraction is concerned. So, now, with that being said, I'm going to get in this later, but with that being said, you're going to have things that are going to creep into your thoughts. You're going to have negativity sometimes creep in. We're going to learn how to use those negative points and turn them around. Okay? Listen, subscribe to our channel, like us, comment, and definitely hit that alert button so you can know when we go live with new videos. Listen, it's my pleasure to serve you. I look forward to this journey together, and we'll talk to you really soon. Peace.